Buying the best non-toxic wok could literally mean the difference between cooking with dangerous chemicals and enjoying a wok that doesn't leach any toxins into your food. But with so many brands eager to cash in on the non-toxic trend, it can be hard to figure out which brands really care about your health and which companies are just in it for the money. With that in mind, for the past 12 months, I've been researching all of the non-toxic cookware options. And in this video, I'll share with you the top 5 best non-toxic woks on the market. Links to each wok are in the description box below. This 12-inch non-toxic ceramic wok from Alva Cookware offers excellent non-stick performance and versatility for all your stir-frying needs without the health concerns of traditional non-stick coatings. The Alva Energy Ceramic Wok combines health-conscious design with practical functionality. Its cast aluminum construction delivers quick, even heating that reduces your cooking time while using less energy. But don't worry, your food doesn't actually come into contact with any aluminum thanks to the ceramic, non-stick, non-toxic coating. Pre-seasoned and ready to use right out of the box, this wok makes an immediate impact in your kitchen. Its spacious 12-inch design provides ample cooking surface for family meals. The flat bottom ensures stability on any cooktop while maintaining the traditional wok shape that's perfect for tossing ingredients. You'll definitely appreciate the Stay Cool Bakelite handle that remains comfortable to touch even during intense stir-frying sessions. Similarly, the Helper handle adds stability when moving the filled wok, giving you confidence when serving directly from kitchen to table. Just remember to use wooden or silicone utensils to protect the coating's integrity. Wooden utensils are the way to go, in my opinion, because most silicone utensils are definitely not non-toxic. Next up on my best non-toxic wok pan list, we have the Hestan NanoBond 14-inch wok, which stands out as an exceptional non-toxic cooking solution with its innovative titanium-infused surface that delivers professional-grade performance without harmful chemicals. The technology behind this wok is truly impressive. Hestan's proprietary NanoBond process fuses thousands of titanium nanolayers to high-quality stainless steel, creating a cooking surface that won't scratch, stain, or pit from salt. You'll appreciate how this revolutionary construction eliminates concerns about toxic chemicals leaching into your food while still providing excellent cooking performance. Besides its completely non-toxic cooking surface, heat management is where this wok truly shines. Its ProCore aluminum layer conducts heat 35% more efficiently than typical clad cookware, ensuring quick and even heating throughout the entire cooking surface. When you're stir-frying vegetables or searing meat, this superior heat distribution eliminates hot spots and gives you restaurant-quality results every time. The thoughtful design extends to every aspect of this wok. Flush rivets prevent food from getting trapped and make cleanup significantly easier. The ergonomic handles stay relatively cool and provide a secure grip even when you're tossing ingredients. You'll find the high dome lid particularly versatile, allowing you to steam, braise, or even roast a whole chicken. Durability is another standout feature of the Hestan NanoBond wok. Unlike traditional non-stick cookware that deteriorates over time, this wok's titanium surface maintains its performance for years. Plus, you can confidently use metal utensils without worry, and the sealed rims prevent dangerous wear and tear over time. The Italian craftsmanship is evident in every detail. Checking in at number 3 on my list of the healthiest woks is the 360 Cookware 5-quart stainless steel wok. Handcrafted in the USA from T304 surgical grade stainless steel, this wok offers you a truly non-toxic cooking experience with no harmful chemicals or coatings that might leach into your food. With a generous 12.17-inch rim diameter and 10.5-inch cooking surface, you'll have plenty of space to prepare meals for your family. The substantial 5-quart capacity makes it perfect for stir-frying vegetables, meat, and noodles all in one go. You'll appreciate how this wok distributes heat evenly across its cooking surface. This eliminates hot spots and allows you to use less oil while still achieving great results. A healthier approach to traditional wok cooking. The versatility of this wok might surprise you. Beyond stir frying, you can use it for flash frying, steaming, and braising, opening up countless recipe possibilities from various Asian cuisines. Maintenance is straightforward but important. While technically dishwasher safe, hand washing with warm soapy water will best preserve the wok's finish and cooking properties. This simple care routine helps ensure your wok will last for decades. Unlike traditional carbon steel woks that require seasoning, this stainless steel version comes ready to use right out of the box. You'll save time and still enjoy excellent cooking performance without the maintenance hassle. If you're looking for the best non-toxic, non-stick wok, then the Caraway stir-fry pan stands out with its wok-inspired shape, featuring high-sloped walls that give you plenty of room to toss ingredients without spilling. You'll appreciate how this design concentrates heat at the bottom while allowing food to be pushed up the sides when needed. What makes this pan truly special is the non-toxic ceramic coating that ensures your meals remain free from PFAS, PFOA, PTFE, and other harmful chemicals. Your health-conscious cooking gets a significant upgrade because you can stir-fry vegetables, proteins, and grains without worrying about dangerous substances leaching into your food. The generous 4-quart capacity gives you enough space to prepare meals for the whole family in one go. Unlike other non-stick woks, you'll find the heat distribution remarkably even, allowing for quick searing at the center while maintaining gentler heat toward the edges. This versatility makes the pan suitable for various cooking techniques beyond just stir frying. Cleaning this pan is surprisingly simple despite the need for hand washing. The non-stick ceramic coating means most food residue wipes away easily with minimal effort. Though you can't toss it in the dishwasher, the time spent hand washing is minimal compared to scrubbing traditional woks or pans where food tends to stick stubbornly. If you just want to buy the best non-toxic wok for your kitchen, then I highly recommend getting this non-toxic Xtrema wok. The 11-inch Xtrema Versa wok stands out in the non-toxic cookware market with its 100% ceramic construction from surface to core. Unlike conventional woks, this one contains absolutely no metals, PFOA, PTFE, or toxic coatings that could leach into your food during high heat cooking. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design featuring a flat bottom with sloped side walls. This smart configuration ensures even heat distribution throughout the cooking surface, making it perfect for stir fries where consistent temperature is crucial. The Versa wok's low rim design makes flipping and turning ingredients much easier than with traditional high-walled woks. Weighing less than metal alternatives while offering superior heat retention, you won't struggle with arm fatigue when tossing vegetables or proteins. You'll find that the glossy, scratch-resistant surface not only looks beautiful, but also prevents food from sticking when properly preheated with a small amount of oil. This wok offers impressive versatility that might surprise you. It can safely transition from stovetop to oven, microwave, barbecue grill, or even direct flame cooking. After dinner, simply pop it in the dishwasher for effortless cleanup. Handcrafted by skilled Chinese ceramic artisans, each Versa wok undergoes triple firing and purification at 2,500 degrees. This meticulous process creates a durable cooking vessel that's resistant to chipping and staining during everyday use. Your purchase includes impressive protection too, a 30-day trial period, 10-year warranty, and a forever replacement program. The first replacement is free if anything happens to your wok, with subsequent replacements available at a 30% discount. Overall, if you're looking for the best non-toxic wok, then Xtrema is the way to go. I really hope that my video helped you to see why switching to a non-toxic wok is such a good idea if you want to prevent harmful chemicals from leaching into your food. You'll find links to all of the best non-toxic woks in the description box below.